bike with no handlebars.
Yep.
No
Turning left in the
handlebars.
left-hand turn box across the course, come back down this other side here.
All the yellow.
Yep, and stop with your front wheel on the yellow X. At your own pace, you don't have to use your indicators.
Yep.
Excellent. I'll get you to do a U-turn. You can use your feet. I just need your front wheel on this white tee here pointing back this way.
Yep.
And just roll back a bit. So this exercise follows the white arrow this time. Yep, and you need to start on the left-hand side of the first cone and weave around 5 cones. After the 5th cone, keep following the white arrows. They go across the back here. Then come back down this side and you ride into this yellow square box and ride out, stopping at the white X. Just try not to hit that yellow line.
Yep.
Try not to ground your feet. Excellent, nice control of the bike. I like hearing your clutch slip. You're doing a bit of throttle bleed. It's a very good control. The next exercise is a braking exercise, emergency braking. So I need you to ride down to that white cone that you can see down there.
Yep.
Do a U-turn around that white cone, then ride back this way at a speed of approximately 25-30 k's an hour.
I will stop there at the white cone.
Yeah, turn around the white cone and ride back this way.
Yep.
At 25-30 k's an hour through these 2 cones just
Two cones.
here and across that yellow line. When your front wheel hits that yellow line, you should be doing about 25-30 kilometres an hour.
20 to 35.
Yep, that's also the point when your front wheel hits that yellow line. But I want you to get on the brakes and come to a stop as quick as you can with minimal skidding. You should be able to stop before that red line.
So I will stop there. I will stop there.
So at this point here,
Yep.
you should be still doing 25-30 kilometres an hour. But also at this point, that's where I want you to get onto the brakes and come to a stop as quick as you can with minimal skidding.
So I will stop.
And stop
Here.
before the red line as quickly as you can. If you can stop here, that's good. Here, good. So yeah. So I'll just get you to go and do it once more.
One more.
Yeah, just don't hesitate. Just maintain. You're sort of backed off.
So I will just slow down there.
Yeah, just don't slow down. At this point here, you should be still doing 25-30 k's an hour.
Ah, okay.
And this is also the point where that's where I want you to
Brake.
start braking.
Stop
Yeah.
there. Ah, okay. Sorry.
So I'm going to get you to go back and do exactly the same thing again. This
Same
time
thing.
it's not about braking. Don't use your brakes.
Yep.
This red line here is a truck that's just pulled out in front of you. This red line here is the edge of the road. Once you come through those 2 cones,
Yep.
just need you to swerve and ride through this gap here without hitting those whippers of those red lines. Once you get back here, then you can stop. Yep, same speed. Cool. We'll turn the bike off there, leave the bike there, come inside and we'll do your paperwork.
So ayan guys, pasado tayo para sa ating learner's license o student permit. So allowed na po tayo na mag-drive ng hanggang 600cc. Ayan guys. Yun nga lang guys, mayroon pa ring restriction. So kailangan hindi tayo lalampas ng 80 kilometers per hour. Kasi ano pa tayo, no? Parang student permit lang tong nakuha ko guys, no? So yeah, I'm very grateful kasi naipasa natin. So hindi ko na kinunan. Ang ganda sana pag nakunan ko yung pag-uusap namin kanina. So na-congratulate ako. So actually guys, itong lisensya na to, dalawang beses ko nang kinuha to. So hindi na bago sa akin to. Yun nga lang, wala akong chance na para i-renew, ano? Kasi 6 months lang. And after 6 months, pag hindi mo na-renew, magiging void na. So sayang yung mga pagkakataon no, na hindi ako nakapag-renew. But anyways, eto na to, nandito na. Pero hanggang 600cc lang yung allowed na motorcycle engine, yung displacement. Okay, pupunta ngayon ako sa sa pinaka LTO nila rito para madagdagan yung restriction ng aking lisensya. So okay guys, yan lamang po. Maraming salamat.
I can ride my bike with no handlebars, no handlebars.